Okay, Scorpio, Scorpio, Scorpio. September 8 to 14. Knock knock, Scorpio. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, Scorpio, fellow Scorpio ko. Mga OFW na Scorpio din. Yes, kamusta po kayo dyan? Another weekend. Weekend ko lang po ginagawa itong tarot reading ko. Full-time job din po ako. So, weekend. Nakatapos na ako ng laba. Kahapon. Oops, tignan natin energy mo. Okay, kailangan ko yata ito. Parang sa akin itong reading na ito. Ayun o. Leo. Something na... This is a Leo card. So, na-tame niya yung lion, basically. So, somebody na who have that courage and strength na tapang to undergo that kind of problem. Yes? Okay? Resolve mo yung problem eh. Tinay mo yung lion, kumbaga sa ano, yung lion nagsumaludo sa iyo eh. You have that ability na power yan eh. It's a power. And that power require that certain strength. Agree? Yes, Scorpio? Alam mo yan. Gusto mo ng pagbabago, meron kang bagong inaabangan. Clear na ba sa iyo kung ano yung pupuntahan mo? Inopen mo yung radar eh. Inopen mo yung radar. Sumasagap ka ng wish ito eh. You're wishing again. Wish upon a star. You expansion, okay? Expansion. You're looking for that expansion. So, ano ba ang nangyayari dito? Okay? Family, happiness. Yan ang energy. Not necessarily na kapag kasama mong pamilya or you're in the group setting, you are happy. You can find that happiness being by yourself. Okay? Contentment. Okay? Yes? Contentment. Yeah. Meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Contentment. I can see contentment here. Contentment. Meron kang gustong puntahan pa rito. May darating daw. May darating. Meron, ano ba yung meron, sa Scorpio din kasi ako. So, some of this contentment, I like that contentment. Yes? Okay. Pero yung expansion na yun, that's a different definition na medyo mabagal. Okay? Yung energy mo is coming from a situation na Scorpio, mainipin tayo, pero we have all that patience. Yes, basta alam mo yung, I think this is, kung ito uniform ito sa atin, kung ano yung radar na hinaabang mo na yun, you're trying to pick up something. Yung intuition natin, pinapaano mo na naman, inano mo yung radar mo. Yes. Nakaano yung guards, ano ba tawag dito? Guard down, guards up. Inopen mo siya, nagbabaka sakali na baka merong something exciting. This is coming from boredom sometimes. I know this. Okay, meron bang ganyan? And you need all that strength now. Meron kang niluluto. Contentment. You are contented o superficial contentment yan. Scorpio is known for that. Sanay ka rin mag-fake ng happiness minsan eh. Alam, alam ko po yung totoo, true. Yes. Okay, is this coming from, okay, kung work-related ito, you're fine with your situation. Ito yung Scorpio na, nakaka-afford ng mag-alaga ng aso. I just put it this way, okay? Mag-alaga ng aso, hindi biro. Lalo yung mga, kumbaga sa tipong mga merong breed yung dog. Hindi ito yung mga askal. Yes? Okay. Kapag ganong situation eh, may gastos yun. Tama po ba? Yeah? May gastos yun. So, yun ang situation mo. Some of the Scorpio na you're on that level. Now, kung ikaw ito, meron ka pa ring, definitely everybody is meron pinagdadaanan. You're waiting for that new whatever na inopen mo yung radar mo. So, inopen mo, waiting for something new. You need all the strength na ma-accumulate mo. Kasi, kung ang negosyo, up and down yan. That's how it is. And you're waiting patiently. Hindi ka lang nakaupo or tumutunganga. You are sharp. Can I say it is strategizing? I can see here a lot of parang mathematical calculation. Okay? So, something to that effect. Nire-relate ko lang, tinitignan ko lang po yung ibang baraha na yung mga subliminal messaging niya na I can pick up. Okay? May chismis or message. Meron bang ganyan? Scorpio? Okay. Is it family? Okay. Tignan natin. Tignan natin, Scorpio. Tignan ko kung ano din sa akin to. Magre-resonate. Somehow it's the happiness and contentment. Yeah, that's what I want as well. Again, iba-iba po yung definition ng contentment natin po So, are you on that stage na lahat ng yung savings po is okay? Itipong ganyan yan eh. Yes? Oh, yan na ba? You want the independence. Mabagal yung independence. Magre-retire ka na ba? Ganyan yung tipo. It's you're looking forward to the rainy days. Sabi dito kumayod ka pa daw. As simple as that. Okay? Kung meron kang ibang trabaho na inahintay, medyo, yeah, sasabihin ko sa'yo, it's hindi pa mabagal. Be happy for what you have. I can sense here. Nakatingin siya dito. Be happy for what you have. Alam na ni Scorpio yan. Okay? Alam mo yan, Scorpio? Family, look on the, okay, ito yung tipong, medyo kokopyahin ko yung sinasabi ng kanta na, ano ba yung, smell the flower, meron bang ganon, yung ganon tipo, okay, yun nakikita ko, and ito lang itong nakikita ko sa how the cards talk to each other. Okay, you see this woman looking at that happiness of illusion of happiness. Hinahanap mo yung definition mo ng happiness eh. I think so. Some of the Scorpio, alam mo minsan ano tayo eh. 2. Yan nga, mataas yung mataas yung radar. Siguro dapat ibaba natin yan. Yung frequency baga. Agree? Yung frequency. Okay, saan ba to? Ano bang pinanggagalingan nito, Scorpio? Interesting. Kuha pa ako dito bago ako mag-move dun sa isang card. Tignan natin. So, you're secured or you're looking for that security. Okay? Meron kang, ito na naman tong King of Wands. Okay? You have, okay. So, there's a lion here as well. O ikaw dapat itong maging matapang na. It's not enough na ikaw lang yung palaging panglabas, matapang, pero sa loob, you have that softy tayo minsan eh. Tama po ba? Pero masama tayong pag si Scorpio eh hihiwalay ang decolor sa Yes, black is black, white is white. So I think yun na yung message niya, the way I look at it is we need to raise that yung raise the guard up. Alam mo, tama ba yun? Guard down, guard up. Yung ating weapon, kung tawag kong weapon ito. Okay, it's a shield. Kung shield ito. We need, Scorpio, meron magaya, you need to prepare for the battle. Okay. For you, ito yung nakita ko dito. Okay. Pagtabihin ko yung dalawang Leo. Okay? So, you need to raise that energy level, and you need a lot of strength na to fight and claim the definition of your happiness. Yes? Kasi mabagal siya. You're not happy on that status ko now. Somebody have to okay. Ito yung sa trabaho na kung ano yung definition mo ng ano ba yung worth mo. Okay, ano ba yung worth mo? What is your definition? Ano ba yung worth mo as a person, as a something? May value tayo eh. Yes, agree? Scorpio, alam natin 'yan. It's not only for Scorpio. I think ito hinahanap mo. Kung meron kayong Scorpio sa sun, moon, or your rising, okay, you're looking for that. Hey, ito yung aking talento, o ito yung inoffer ko. Ngayon, I think I deserve that type of respect. Yes? And yun ang definition mo. Okay, so again, iba-iba po tayo ng timeline. Ano po ba ang definition ng happiness in terms of security? Okay? You cannot reach this security level na, oh, I am fulfilled. Okay, yeah. Ano ba yung, gusto mo ba ng madaming pera sa bank account? O gusto mo lang ng bahay and you'll be fine? Yes? Okay. Na, meron bang ganyan, Scorpio? Yeah, meron. Okay. Tigulin ko lang. Ituloy po natin. Tignan natin. Ayan, meron kang minamanifest na naman eh. Parang ready ka na naman eh. Ready ka. I don't think na meron kang niluluto here. I think meron kang validation lang na gustong kunin. Yes? You just want to prove something. Meron ba ganyan Scorpio? Sino ba yung ganyang Scorpio na energy ngayon? September 8 to 14. September 8 to 14. May taon na may tutulong din naman. Nakikita ko dito. Tulong. Maaring sa iba ito. May tutulong. So, oops, ayusin ko yung camera. Okay. Yeah, okay. May movement. Gusto mo bang, okay, ang plan B mo ba is, kung hindi mo makuha yung validation na yun, okay, thank you. Yeah, alam ko mag-isip si Scorpio. That's how I also think. Meron bang ganyan? Basta wala kang sinusunod mo yung yung rules, regulation, etc. Nagsisimba ka, nagta-time in ka, nagta-time out ka, sinusunod mo yung sinasabi ng amo, sinusunod mo yung sinasabi ng traffic sign. Yes, so yeah, that's a Scorpio actually. Sinusunod mo, walang question about that. Walang late. Ayan, discipline. You have that discipline. That's what it is. The Hierophant is all about the structure. Hindi ka nangungurakot. Yeah. Okay. And you're still looking for something. Yes, I think that's the validation here. Itong first 4 cards na lumitaw here. Ni-raise mo yung standard mo, Scorpio. Okay? Yeah. Meron bang ganyan? Tignan natin kung ano pa yung hinahanap mo dito. Lahat po tayo palagi meron tayong hinahanap on a certain stage of our life. Yes? So, itong sitwasyon na ito, typical ito sa OFW because iba yung obligation natin. Agree? Sabihin natin na nag-abroad ka, gusto mong kumita, pero yung sweldo mo, kulang pa halos sa'yo. So, wag naman ganoon. Tama po ba? Ito na, Wheel of Fortune. There's no right or wrong po dito. Kasi baka mamaya mayroong gustong mag-decision. I can see here, decision Okay? So, yung if you thinking of that fortune, okay, this is also for me is a karmic card. Okay, yung mostly yung major arcana. Wheel of Fortune, well, okay, there are a lot of ways to have that fortune, correct? It can be the good way or the bad way. Agree? Tama po ba? Yes, okay. Now, ito yung Scorpion now. You follow all the dogmas and tradition. Kumbaga sa wala kang binayolate, wala kang speed ticket, wala kang nagbabayad ka ng renta on time, nagbabayad ka ng yung t-shirt uniform mo kailangan malinis. Nilalaban mo yan pag sinabing ang sapatos dapat makintab yan, sinashine mo yan. Yes. Walang walang consistently pinalo yun ang sabi ng ng batas ng Biblia or whatsoever na belief natin. Okay? And you want only that recognition and validation. Ngayon, nag-iisip ka, mataas yung standard mo, tinaasan mo, pero mabagal. Merong mabagal na energy kasi minsan hindi natin lahat nakukuha yung gusto natin. You want it your way and you want it now. Tama? So, kung ayaw mo, salamat po. Sa relationship, ganito ako. Hindi mo ba ako kayang suportahan? Gusto ko ng masarap na hamonado sa Pasko. Okay? Kaya mo ba yun? Well, hindi mo kaya. Okay, salamat. Kaya ko mag-isa. Yes? Well, I don't see any ultimatum here. Gusto mo lang ng yung nga, validation. Ayaw mong mag-compromise. Interesting. Meron ba ganyan, Scorpio? Ito yung mga Scorpio na napagod na din. Yes, ayaw na ng compromise kasi ito yung alam mo yung baha-baha na nangyari yan, ay dapat magising na yung mga Pilipino. Okay, kumbaga sa hindi na pwede itong I mean sa Quezon nakita ko lang the other day, yung kanina yata kahapon, isang lugar sa Quezon City, nagtrabaho ako doon sa area na yon, hindi bumabaha yun. Hindi bumabaha, tapos nakita ko parang lake na ang bilis-bilis yung tubig, mas mataas pa sa kotse. So papayag ka pa ba doon? This is how it is. Okay, so it's either you take it or you go. Thank you, bye-bye. Hindi mo mabigay yung level of yung level of foundation, yun palagi natin hinahanap yung feeling of the security. Okay, again, security definition different sa atin yun, pero meron kang standard dito. Ito yung Scorpio na alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. Yes, meron bang ganyan? And we willing to move out. Okay, yeah, so September 8 to 14, kung ano man ito, hindi ko nadadagdagan itong card niya. Hingi tayo ng message sa oracle card sa buwan mo. Tignan natin, Scorpio. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung dapat makita ni Scorpio. Okay. Wolf. Oh, very interesting ha. Meron kang lion dito, may wolf ka pa dito. Okay, tignan natin. I-ano ko sa camera. Beware of letting your wilder instincts spin out of control. Okay. I think alam ko ito. I think nagre-resonate sa akin ito. Okay. I think sakit minsan ng Scorpio ito because yung ating water sign na emotional. Okay, yung instinct natin. I think ito also ito. Ito yung instinct na ito. Okay? Masyadong high yung frequency. Yes? So, sabi lang dito, beware of letting your wilder instinct, okay, spin out of control. Huwag lang nating sosobrahan. Okay? Huwag nating sosobrahan. Oh, I think applicable sa akin yan. Minsan meron akong ganyan na ayaw ko ito. Okay? And then you're starting to create stories. Okay? Kasi minsan matigas din yung ulo natin. Yes? Okay. So, yeah. September 8 to 14, Scorpio. So, salamat po. See you again.